Hello guys, today I've got Cudy P2 router and I'm going to show you how to fix that your router is having a blocked SIM card error. So at first you need to power off your router. So unplug the cable from it. Now turn your router upside down. Find this place right here, a SIM card place, and remove it. You need to just push it down to remove it. Now, here we've got our SIM card. You need to inspect it for dirt, dust on the contacts right here, physical damage, and the correct size. Here we've got, as you can see, nano SIM card, and is the correct size for our router. Once you're sure that everything is nice and everything is good, you need to insert it back again to your router. Like this. Of course, you need to verify the positioning. It should be the same as on the painting. And now we can put it inside. Now we are done. So, here we need to plug in our cable to our router now. And if the SIM card isn't fully seated, the router may fail to detect it. Here you need to wait 5 minutes until you have your router fully set up, and you should be done. If you aren't done, you need to verify that the SIM works. Insert the SIM card, this one from the router, into a smartphone or check whether it, check whether it connects to the mobile network, can make calls, of course if it's supported, and can access mobile data. If it doesn't work in a phone either, you need to contact your mobile carrier to verify your data plan and everything else. And verify you don't have any SIM pin. If you do, you should disable it. You need to put your SIM card into your phone and check it whether you are prompted for the SIM card pin. When you go to the mobile data settings, you should see SIM card pin and you should disable it. If you want to know how to disable it completely, you need to check our channel because we've got many videos about that. The pin code should be on this thing right here. We've got here pin code. On our router we don't get any settings for our SIM card pin, or if it was there, or if it is there, I am just blind. Here, if you don't know the pin, check the SIM card packaging or contact your carrier. Very important thing is that entering the wrong pin multiple times can permanently block the SIM card until you enter the PUK code, which is this one right here. This is the personal unlocking key supplied by your carrier. Number 4, check SIM status. Let me open my AlienPanel page. Here we've got our AlienPanel, and you need to check the status. As you can see here, we've got status internet connected, wireless router interface 5G. So status should be connected right here. If you scroll down, 5G should be connected, network type should be done, and here we've got our SIM card connected correctly. If you've got it ready or connected, SIM is detected and usable. PIN required, you need to enter the SIM PIN. PUK required, too many incorrect PIN attempts, use the carrier provided PUK. No SIM detected. SIM error, possible hardware or carrier issue, and blocked. SIM is locked or disabled. Remember, of course, to make sure that your SIM card is activated, because when it's not activated, you'll get this error like SIM error, so you know. And that should be it. Goodbye.